¿Qué onda, primos? Texas Primo back with another video. And man, it's been a minute. I was installing some DS-18s. Figured might as well make a video since I know y'all missed me, because I for sure miss y'all. But yeah, man, today's video is gonna be about the DS-18 6.5 door speaker. Got these hoes for Christmas, you already know. And I wanted to compare it to the Rockford Fosgate. I already switched out this side. This side already has a DS-18, but this side still has the Rockford Fosgate. I forgot what it's called, but I'll show you. This is what it is right here. It's the R165S. Came with tweeters, but I mean, it's all right. But look at the little bitty ass magnet, bro. I'm about to show you the DS-18. Check this out. Hold up. All right, this is the DS-18 right here. You can just tell, bro. Like, God bless. Look at that. Look at that compared to... Alright, there's the Rockford Fosgate. And there's the damn DS-18, boy. God bless. Yeah. So we're going to install it on the driver's side. I've already started taking off the panel. Excuse the mess. It's kind of dirty, but yeah, I've already started taking off the panel. And real simple. Got 10mm bolts right here, right here, right here, and 2 right there. So yeah, this pops out. So I can get that. Oh shit. All right, finally got it out. And then what you want to do, start popping the panel. Do I need some pliers? This is the pliers I got. That's all I got right now. But oh shit, I forgot about this. Flip it. I'm doing this shit one-handed, cuz. Push those little clips in right there. All right, so once you push those clips in, you see that this little thing comes out. That's it. All right, so here's the Rockford Fosgate. It wasn't too bad, man. It did its job for the time being, but you know, I had to upgrade. So I got a 7mm. That should fit. Yeah, it fits. So you take your 7mm. Whoa. Bro, I forgot to do the demo, man. I gotta do the before and after. I'm tripping. All right, so we'll just put on the radio. Let's see what we got. See what we got on the radio, cuz. All right. All right, so I'm gonna keep it right here in the middle. I'm gonna move all the way to the front. We'll start with the Rockford Fosgate. And that's with the tweeters connected. Sorry, it's Romeo Santos, but fuck, I don't know what else to play. All right, now the DS-18 time. Way brighter. And then once I add the tweeters, oh my God, it's gonna be crazy, bro. All right, so I'm trying to find some uncopyrighted music to play in the song so we can hear how it sounds. But all this stuff is trash, so I think I'm gonna just like play something else, because I don't know, man. I want y'all to have a good idea of how the difference is. So, I mean, I think it's only right, you know, that I play something with some, you know, some vocals, you know? Yeah. So this is the Rockford Fosgate. It's all right, man. You can tell that you can tell the magnet's small, bro. All right, let's go to the DS-18, see how that sounds. That's with no tweeter. You can tell it's like way more clear, way more bright. Hold on, you know what I could do? I could turn the sub off. That way we can hear the vocals. All right, let's see. That's better. That's DS-18. And yeah, so let's finish with this install, man. What the heck? Yeah. Oh man, how do I get out, cuz? There you go. All right. So again, 7mm. Pops right up. As you can see, that's what we got. All right, new bracket. DS-18 going in. All right. That should be good. I don't know if you can see that, but here it is. You know, it just screwed in. All right, DS-18 is in. Now it's time to put the panel back on and give it a sound test. And we're done, man. All right, we in. I know y'all hear how quiet it is. That's that sound, isn't it, bro? Yo. All right, man. Let's see how this sounds, bro.
Las rejas no se abren solas.
Bruh.
Quiere el cantador. San de Tijuana, un reo se les mudó y no eso quiera. Porque ni huellas dejó.
Hell yeah, let's get it. My bad, I got a little excited right there, but let's put it back in the center. Let's put it back in the front. This bitch hard to control, but all right, let's see what else we got. What else can we play?
Ando más que mal por matar.
Sound alright. It's kind of loud. But I'm not even gonna lie, it sounds way better. And they're not even amped. They need to be amped. And I still need to get some tweeters. And it's gonna sound 10 times better than this little piece of crap. Rockford Fosgate. This little R165S. Little bitty ass magnet. But yeah, man. But other than that, man, I think we done. I think we done for the day. I just want to say thank you for watching the video, guys. I know I haven't made a video in like a long ass time, but if you're watching, that means you're supporting, and I appreciate you. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and drop down a comment, man. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I know I promised y'all the HD bumper, but man, I've tried like 2 times. I've filmed 2 times, and I just can't do it, bro. I'm gonna have to take it to somebody, because goddamn, there ain't shit online about it. But yeah, man, if y'all know how to do an HD bumper, let me know in the comments. And yeah, Texas Primo, we out, baby. Woo. Way better, bro. Way better.